made it. Let's go.
We're here. We're in our rental car. Frankie went all out and got a fun sports car, of course, because that's who he is, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we are hungry. We've been up since 4 a.m.
That's a fun view. Look at that.
4 a.m. Oh, that is a fun view. But like I said, we've been up for 4. We're struggling a little bit. Look at these bags. My face is red from wearing the mask on the plane all day.
My neck is hollering.
Neck is hollering. We are in the search for food, so we're gonna go get some, and we'll update you guys later. But otherwise, we're just so happy to be here.
Woo! Let's go. Alright, so we found our dream couch. We're currently in RH Hardware.
Yeah, we haven't updated you guys a lot today, so.
Yeah, we've been having way too much fun, honestly, so.
A lot of driving around. We drove around Highland Park, University Park, and now we're in Uptown. And we're just gonna do some shopping. We had a delicious breakfast. I don't think we took any photos of because we were so hungry.
Yeah, but all in all, we figured out we don't want to live directly in downtown Dallas. The apartments we found in Uptown are just so much better.
They're so much better.
So, all right, we'll catch you guys later.
Just discovered heaven on earth. I thought Whole Foods was the most amazing thing, but we just discovered Central Market. We are in Clear Fork, Texas, a little suburb outside of Fort Worth. Sorry, Frankie's driving. We're currently en route to Topgolf. But we went to this Central Market. It was insane. Insane. And I truly mean that. It made Whole Foods look like a Walmart. Yeah. It was insane. I would honestly just move here for that grocery store. It was that amazing. So I'm in love, you guys. I don't know what else to say. I'm in love. We are currently going to Topgolf now. Frankie's very happy about that because he just loves going to Topgolf. And then we'll probably make our way over to Dallas after that. We have a hotel for the night, just like a fun little boutique hotel. And then I don't know, we'll just see where the day takes us. That's kind of how we've been doing all of this.
It's playing by ear.
Yeah.
We made it.